Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving from Miss Kim's Home Ec 101. We're going to make deviled eggs this morning. I boiled my eggs last night and just set them in the fridge, and they're peeling pretty good. I had a couple that didn't want to peel good, but that happens with eggs sometimes. We were talking about how to boil an egg for deviled eggs, where it was a little easier to peel. And I really, y'all, I put my egg yolk in there. Good Lord. I don't think I've had enough coffee. Anyway, we're going to do these deviled eggs, and when I do deviled eggs, I always use a new jar of mayo. I use Miracle Whip, and a new thing of mustard. I always want my ingredients to be fresh, so I sure don't want my family getting sick or anything. So how many of you all make deviled eggs? This is my thing that my family likes for me to make. I enjoy a deviled egg, one maybe, but I'm not as big of a fan as some of my family. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I don't have any measurements to give you because it's by taste. I know how my family likes theirs. I know my sister, she likes it real mustardy. Daddy didn't care for it being mustardy, but that's the way I made it. So let's go ahead and make up. I'm going to do one more. I'll show you how to make the mixture. It's very simple. It's the easiest thing that I could be asked to make. My mom wants to cook everything, and she doesn't want to be alone on Thanksgiving, and so we are going to be with her, and we are going to distance. We're not going to sit on top of each other. It's only going to be about 6 of us. Okay, now let's get out some mayo. Oh, first of all, I almost forgot to step there. I'm going to take my fork, get that out of there, and go ahead and give that a smash. Now, I don't use an egg beater or anything because my family likes it lumpy. They don't. I don't do it real smooth. They like it like this, so that's how I make it. Okay, so I've got that broken up quite a bit. So we're going to add our mayo. I'll start smashing that in with my fork. Add a little bit more. So far, that's about 2 tablespoons. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs, which will make 14. I'm going to put another tablespoon-ish. Oops, I made a mess. Now, after I get this to the consistency I want, add one more. Then I'll add my mustard. We don't put salt and pepper. I know there's people that put pepper in their deviled eggs. We do not do that. Excuse me. I haven't had enough coffee, I don't think. So I'm going to give that a good shake. I'd say about a teaspoon. We're going to stir that up, and I have to taste it. Lord, and I just brushed my teeth, and now I got toothpaste. Paste in my mouth. Okay, let me get a spoon. Perfect. So, get another spoon. Well, here, we'll use this spatula. Take my fork and I help it with a spatula or a spoon. There's not that many of us this year, so I don't have to go all out and make a big hassle of them. Just make enough for the few of us. We make these for, or we don't, I do. Make them for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, of course, and 4th of July if we have a gathering for 4th of July. So they always request my deviled eggs. I guess they like them. See, I've still got quite a bit in this bowl. It don't look like it, but I do. There's the spatula. Look at that. Look at all that. So there's still plenty. Mama don't like a whole lot in her egg, but she usually just takes it out. See where there and there. I'm making quite the mess with it this morning. Then we take the paprika and put it all over the eggs. I could make this prettier, but I just wanted to show y'all. And I'll leave one without paprika, just in case we got one person that doesn't want it. Theirs will be fine. Karen got me this some time ago, and I use it for my deviled eggs, and I love it. So that's all I've got for you right now, and I'm going to put these up, finish getting ready, and I hope you all have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. You all be safe out there, and be sure and subscribe and like my page, and I appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all later.